Then information processing theory of the memory. In the information processing theory is given by the Richard Atkinson and Richard Shifrin in the year 1968. So it is developed by this psychologists developed the information processing theory. So according to this theory, the memory will be start from the environment. The input stage will be start from the environment. Okay, so this input is held for a very brief time, several seconds, and it is associated with the sensory channel like the hearing, taste, touch, smell, and vision. So through the hearing, the information will be input. Through by taste, also information will be input to the into memory. Through by touch, the information will be input in the memory. Smell, vision also helpful with the input of the information input in the memory. So that is sensory input. Already I had said that through the information goes to the sensory memory. In the sensory memory, the informations will be remains short period of times, then will forget, and then information go to the short term memory through the rehearsal method, through the practiced method. Suppose students read the book again and again, that will that information, so that lessons will be remember and recollect at any time. So in the short term memory, the information remains 20 to 30 seconds. Then the through by the from the short term memory, through by the attention and focus attention process, that will be remains permanently. Okay, that short term memory, that information goes to the long term memory through by the rehearsed method, through the by attention and focused method, through by the attention given the concentration towards a particular subject, so informations will be transferred to the long term memory, and it is remains a lifetime during needed, that will be recollect and that will remember and recollect at any period of time. So here is the diagram is given. Information processing theory, first through the sensory memory, information will be input into the memory, but it will be forgotten because the informations will be remain short time. If you given the attention or given the focused towards an object or informations, that informations goes to the short term memory, so it remains 20 to 30 seconds. Through by the rehearsal or the practiced method, that goes to the long term memory, and it remains in the conscious stage, and at any period of time that will be recollected. Okay, then in the levels of processing theory, next comes the levels processing theory. The level processing theory developed by the Craig and Luckett in the year 1972. They given the method of a shallow to deep method for the memorizations. Okay, the shallow or superficial levels, where we identify the event or phenomenon or object, and it includes the numerous attributes. Okay, and these shallow depression levels may involve with the word or image. Through by these levels, that the shallow levels, that involves the analysis of the physical or sensory characteristics. It gives the brightness or pitch of the informations. The intermediate levels, that helps for the recognition or labeling of the informations. Okay, and the deep levels always attached with the network of association, and it is the store the meaningful informations. So deep levels helps for the and it is compared with the past experience. That past experience, the people who have the past experience, the related subject or event in the current situations, that will be attached. Then the process of work will be onwards, and the deeper processing results more elaborate, and it is long lasting, and it will give the stronger memory traces. Here given sensory stores attend the short term stores, so that is through the rehearsal method it go to the long term store. Then the Craig and Luckett also discussed the rehearsal and process of cycling information. In the process of cycling information, it also the develop the memory. through and it give they developed the rehearsal method. Rehearsal method is helpful for the processing of the memorizations. There are two kind of rehearsal, and that is the first is the maintenance rehearsal, okay, then the elaborate rehearsal. In the maintenance rehearsal, if you do the repeated analysis upon a object or information, that is known as the maintenance rehearsal, and the contrast elaborate rehearsal that involve the deeper or more meaningful analysis about the information or stimulus. So elaboration is the process of adding more extensive information into the memory system. Craig and Lockhart give the three examples of label in which verbal information can be processed, and that is the structural labels, phonetic labels, and semantic labels, where verbal information can be going on. Verbal information easily will be remember memorization. The structural method, it includes the shallow method for the analysis of the stimulus occurs, where it involves the image, pictures, etc. Word also be involves, and it involves the looking at what the words only look like. So shallow it is involves the shallow levels of processing of memory, always above it already discussed. In the shallow method, it is involves the analysis of an object only. It includes the picture or image or the words. Will look the at what the word only look like, okay. In the phonetic processing of the memorizations, it create the sound of the word, what the sound of the word it will be remember recollected. In the semantic method, it include the deep processing. It analyze the meaningful stimulus, meaningful information, and include the meaning of the word, okay. Thank you. Memory is over.